Hello everyone, students, children or anyone who is watching this tutorial just now. This video is going to be very important and interesting as I have brought only one useful tip to follow to avoid spelling errors. I have observed many people often commit spelling mistakes, especially when they get confused between EI and IE. Right? And you might have noticed that such kind of words which have either EI or IE can create a kind of confusion in your mind. And you might be thinking, is there any tip to follow to avoid such kind of spelling errors? And this tutorial is about that tip only. So you will watch today to avoid spelling mistakes, especially when they create confusion between EI or IE. I'll show you some examples. Ceiling. So what should be there? EI or IE? Deceive. Should there be IE or EI? Such kind of words can create confusion. EI or IE? IE or EI? So I'll give you only one tip to avoid such kind of confusion. And the tip which I am going to share with you will give you 100% assurity to avoid such kind of spelling errors. Okay, so what is that tip? EI is followed by C. Whenever C is there in a word, it will be followed by EI, not IE. Okay, so when you have C in a word, we'll use EI, not IE. So remember one line. I before E except C. I before E except C. That means use IE when C is not there. If C is there, then use EI. I'll explain with examples. We use EI after C if the sound is E. Remember, this is very important. If the sound is E, then we'll use EI after C. For example, receive. Here you see, when you pronounce receive, the sound of this combination EI is E, like receive, receive. So when the sound is E, we use EI. Alright? And EI is followed by C. So when C is there, we'll use EI if the pronunciation is E. Okay? In the same way, deceive, ceiling, deceit. So EI is followed by C. And the sound is E. Exceptions. Ancient, efficient, science. Here we don't have EI after C. Why? Because the sound of these letters is not E. It's not ancient, it's ancient. Science. That's why we are using IE after C, not EI. Alright? So we'll have EI after C if the sound is E. Okay? So here the sound is not E. That's why we are having IE. In other words, use IE when C is not there. For example, thief. Here we'll use IE, not EI. Believe, achieve, die, friend. So here we'll use IE, not EI. This is very simple tip to avoid spelling errors and to avoid confusion between IE and EI. I hope you like this tip. If you've liked, then please press like and subscribe this channel. One like is like motivation for me. If you like my tutorials, definitely I'll get motivation. And do not forget to press bell icon so that you may get notification for the next tutorial. And you can follow my blog by clicking exploremoreandlearn.com. Very soon I'll bring another tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.